Hello students. Today's lecture is for the students of 10 plus 1 and I am going to discuss the use of the definite article the with you. So the can be used in a number of ways. The first is for a particular person, thing or animal that has already been mentioned. For example, I have a coat. The coat has a pocket. The pocket has a pen in it. The pen is blue in color. The second type is to denote the whole class. For example, the camel is a ship of the desert. Third, to denote a particular group or a group already mentioned. For example, the students of this class are very intelligent. Fourth, before the names of sacred and well-known books, newspapers, magazines. For example, the Bible, the Gita, the Tribune. Fifth, before directions. For example, keep to the left. Then, it can be used when we speak of a particular person or thing. For example, what is the main theme of this poem? Or, the boy who stood first is my cousin. Coming on the next use of the definite article the, it can be used before the names of trains, historical buildings, ships, aeroplanes, etc. For example, the Shan-e-Panjab, the Golden Temple, the Vikrant. Eighth, it can be used before adjectives in the superlative degree. For example, he is the best man in the city. Ninth, it can be used for comparatives. It can be used before comparatives. For example, the higher you go, the cooler it is. The next is, it can be used in certain phrases. For example, you met him on the way. Next, it can be used before words indicating number, weight, and measure. For example, cloth is sold by the meter. Then the can be used before words denoting well-known historical events. For example, the French Revolution, the partition of India. Next, it can be used before the names of rivers, canals, ranges of mountains, oceans, islands, or a few countries. For example, the Satluj, the Himalayas, the Punjab, the UK, the Bhakra Canal. Then the can be used before the names of deserts, plains, winds, currents. For example, the monsoon, the west wind, the Rajputana desert. Next, it can be used to give special emphasis to a town, to a noun. For example, he copied the book to the letter. Next, it can be used before an adjective. For example, to denote the whole class, to denote the quality in general. For example, we can say, help the poor. Next, it can be used before a common noun or before a common noun used as an abstract noun. For example, Lala Lajpat Rai was the Lion of Punjab.